dan terbilang. Kedua, mengamalkan sikap kerja yang positif dengan komitmen yang tinggi demi menjamin jenama yang ternama. Ketiga, meningkatkan produktiviti di samping mengutamakan kualiti dan keselamatan produk. Keempat, mengutamakan kaedah kerja, selamat dan sehat, serta peka terhadap alam sekitar. Kelima, mengamalkan Kaizen sebagai budaya kerja CSR.
The refinery first started operation in 1965 under the name of the United Malay States Sugar Industries. In 1983, it was incorporated as Central Sugars Refinery Sendirian Berhad, a subsidiary company of Tradewinds Malaysia Berhad. Tradewinds Malaysia Berhad is listed on the main board of the Bursa Malaysia. Our raw sugar supplies are fully imported from Australia, Brazil, India, Thailand, and South Africa. Raw sugar shipments are scheduled to arrive at our raw sugar warehouse once or twice per month, depending on the shipment capacity. Raw sugar is unloaded into our warehouse via a conveyor belting system. It is unloaded from the ship using a mechanical grab at a capacity of 8 metric tons per grab. The conveyor belting system is approximately 500 meters from the ship to the warehouse. The unloading rate is about 8,000 tons per day. With the completion of the new raw sugar warehouse, our total raw sugar storage capacity has increased to 140,000 metric tons. At the refinery, the first refining step is the affination step. The affination process involves mingling raw sugar with affination molasses to remove the surface molasses film from the crystals. Part of the impurities of the raw sugar crystals are also removed by washing with hot water in the centrifugal. The centrifugal sugar, known as washed sugar, would then be melted into sweet water at a temperature of 75 to 80 degrees Celsius. The resulting syrup is called raw syrup. The raw syrup will then undergo further color removal through the carbonatation and ion exchange decolorization process. During the carbonatation process, the raw syrup is treated with lime milk. Syrup pH is controlled according to specifications. In the carbonators, the syrup is then subjected to bubbling with carbon dioxide gas in a counter-current flow. A reaction between the lime milk and carbon dioxide produces calcium carbonate precipitates. These precipitates are then filtered off with a rotary filter. A 55% to 60% color reduction is achieved via the carbonatation process. The filtered carbonated syrup is called clear syrup. The clear syrup requires further color removal using the ion exchange resin adsorption process. The clear syrup color will be further reduced at the end of this decolorization process. The syrup will then be subjected to a series of filtration steps to ensure syrup purity. The filtered syrup is called fine syrup. Through an evaporation process, fine syrup will be concentrated by using double effect falling film evaporators or double effect plate evaporators. The concentrated fine syrup will be crystallized into a semi-solid form called mesocute through boiling in pans under vacuum. During boiling, a specific vacuum condition is maintained with the boiling temperature reaching between 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. The mesocute will be discharged into the crystallizer upon reaching the required bricks. At the curing station, the mesocute, which is a mixture of sugar crystals and mother syrup, will be charged into centrifugals. Sugar crystals are separated from the mother syrup in these centrifugals. Hot water is also used to wash off the mother syrup from the sugar crystals. Most of the moisture of the sugar crystals will be removed by the high-speed centrifugal force during this operation. Traces of moisture remaining on the sugar crystals will be removed by a dryer using steam-heated floated air at a temperature of between 55 degrees to 58 degrees Celsius. Thereafter, the white sugar will be cooled down in a cooler before being sieved into various grades. From there, the refined sugar will be channeled to dedicated sugar bins for various packaging, ranging from as small as 1 or 2 kilogram pre-packs to up to 30 metric ton bulk tankers. After almost 5 decades of its operation and a consistent strive to improve its quality of its products and services, the company managed to gain achievement and recognition. Central Sugar's refinery became the first sugar refinery company in Malaysia to obtain the ISO 9002 Quality Management System certification from CSR in 1992. Its products were certified halal by JAKIM since 1994. Our ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certificate was awarded by CSR in the year 2000. That same year, CSR attained its kosher certification from the United Kingdom. CSR was awarded the OSA's 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System by CSR in 2004. With regard to food safety, we are HACCP certified by CSR and the Ministry of Health Malaysia in 2006, and we achieved the ISO 22000 Food Safety Management System certification from SGS in 2008. In 2009, we obtained SEDEX certification, and by 2011, we have achieved our plant capacity of 2,000 metric tons per day. In the same year, our product was awarded with a super brand as recognition to Malaysia's most preferred brand. Through the concept of continuous improvement, we have achieved ISO 27001 Information Security Management System, ISO 17025 Laboratory Management System, and FSSC 22000 Food Safety System certification. As a result of all this internationally recognized product certification, CSR is able to penetrate into the globalized market. CSR is not only involved in the production of high-quality sugar, but also in the education of high-caliber staff by incorporating the best core value standards, namely, we believe ourselves and others, encourage participation, support involvement, and trust. In line with our company's corporate social responsibility, in short CSR, we are always at the forefront with caring community programs, generating economic activities, and sustainable environment for the welfare of the society. And continuous improvement is the motto for CSR and CSRians to move forward.